Hi everybody, it's Lynnea, and it is Features Weekend for LDRS Creative. So myself and the rest of the design team are going to be giving you LDRS Creative inspiration around the theme of winter. So I grabbed some of my favorite wintry stamps and dies, and I'm going to make a fun nighttime slimline scene. That was a little tongue-tying there. It's a really easy card to pull together. I'm going to start here with the falling snow die. This was from actually the first craft kit from LDRS Creative. It's an add-on, so it is available individually in the LDRS Creative shop. I die cut that from some white cardstock, and I decided to spray it with my glitter spray. I also used the Over the Hills die and die cut that twice, and that's going to help me build my scene. My little images today, I already stamped and colored and cut out. They are from the Snow Much Fun stamp set, and they are just adorable. I couldn't resist using that little bear. So I'm just going to go ahead and build this slimline scene. I'm working on a piece of black shimmer cardstock, and I'm just going to use these die cuts from the Over the Hills die set and position them so that I can build my scene. I want to have the little fox and the bear sledding, kind of coming down the hill, and then I want to have that other fox and bear building the snowman. I want to kind of shift my hills left and right and up and down to make sure that the scene is built perfectly and it doesn't look like they're crammed in there. I was originally going to do an A2 sized card, and I just couldn't fit everything on, and I couldn't figure out which one to leave off, so I decided to just stretch the side of my card, and we're gonna go slimline. I love this Over the Hills die because it actually cuts two pieces, the little hills part, and then it also cuts that little setback piece, so you can pop up the forefront of the hill if you want to, but I'm just gluing them all down onto my slimline card. I did cut them wider than was necessary. That's just so I could shift them left and right to get the placement correct, and then I'll just trim off the excess. I was looking at my card and I thought that it needed a little something else. It kind of looked like the scene ended abruptly and went on forever at the same time. It needed a frame. So I grabbed my slimline scallop die set, and I cut those two outer border dies together from some plain black cardstock, and I'm just going to adhere this slimline scallop border onto my slimline card, and that helps to contain the scene. It gives your eye an edge to the scene, so it makes it look better, I think. Now it's time to just adhere my pieces. I have my hills in place where I want them to be. I'm going to pop up all of my little critters. I don't have any dimension on my scene thus far. Everything is adhered on with liquid adhesive, and so I thought that it would be cute to kind of pop up these little critters. I am going to be hanging them off the side of the scene on the right hand side with this little bear, and then also the sled is going to hang off on the left side. The sled was going to hang off on the left side, and so I thought that I needed to bring something over onto the right side and have that touching the black to balance it out and bring a little bit of, it makes the scene look better to the eye, I think anyway. So for my sentiment, I wanted to go simple. I didn't want to cover up any of the cuteness in the scene. So I grabbed the Christmas Wishes sentiment stack, and I die cut that with the coordinating sentiment stack die. These stamps are awesome because you can just stamp once and then die cut once, and you're going to have 11 sentiments. Now this stamp set is for Christmas, but the Let It Snow sentiment I think could really be for any time, even though it is a Christmas carol. I'm just going to pop that up with a foam sticky strip as well, and I'll position that up at the top center right across that falling snow die. And that's it. This scene came together really quickly. It was a lot of die cutting, but it's super cute and I love the way it turned out in the end. I added some gems and some glitter to my images, so now I have shimmer cardstock, I have shimmer spray on the snow pieces, glitter on the characters, and some gems. Lots of shimmer, lots of shine, and it looks like a fun, cool winter night. Thank you all for watching this video. I'll be back tomorrow with more inspiration. Bye! Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now, and here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.